All corporate companies provide their staff an annual medical checkup. People are quite aware of that. They will go and to a designated hospital or an institution, check all their blood parameters. They may be undergoing some medical checkup with the doctor. They may be undergoing certain radiological examinations, and they will be meeting the doctor, and the physician will be guiding them for certain kind of treatments according to the outcome. But is that complete? Can there be more? Yes, we thought a little bit loud about this in Sagavish, and we have come out with a package called uh, annual preventive health management program for those who are concerned about their health for a long term basis. This particular program needs you to be present with the doctor at least for about bare minimum 48 minutes, and it can sometimes extend up to 1.5 hours. It contains a documentation of all your different parameters into running into around 10 to 12 pages or even more, according to the developments what we come across during the screening. It is not like an Ayurvedic, it's not just like a lab test or other parameter. We actually assess a lot more about you, going quite in depth into you. We'll be checking all your vital parameters like height, weight, BMI, SpO2, your BP, breath rate. Then we will be checking about your appetite, whether you are eating on time or eating because of a habit, or you get hunger on regular intervals, or you get a stomach upset with a certain kind of things. How is your sleep pattern? Are you a light sleeper? You take long time to fall into sleep, or you wake up very quickly, or you have got a very sound sleep, or you have got an afternoon nap kind of a habit. What about your likings in food? Actually, I mean, you like and dislike certain taste preferences. Some people like a lot of fried items like samosa, baked items. They eat a lot of chips kind of a thing. Some people hate all these things. They like only sweet things. Some people like plainly bland food. Some people eat a lot of non-vegetarian. Some people very strictly follow a vegetarian diet. Their likings and dislikings and preferences, what they eat, and any food is causing you a stomach upset, any kind of previous history of bloating, acidity, or a constipation, or a history of piles or any other kind of gastrointestinal problem, you have got any exercise habits actually, if you what about your working nature, how you are on a long term sedentary work manner, or you have got to stand and work, or you have to move around and work, how much travel you got domestically per day, what is your mode of travel, if it's in a two-wheeler or it's in a four-wheeler or in a public transport, how many times you will have to travel across the time zones, if you have any kind of habits like alcohol, smoking, pan, those kind of things. And do you have any habit of you are compelled to hold there just like a field to go to loo, or passing motion you have to hold for that, or you are in a meeting, do you have a habit of holding a urge to sneeze, kind of those kind of habits? We go to these kind of very detailed nitty-gritties. Also about your mind, how it functions. Are you very focused? You got a mind chattering problem? Are you frequently stressed, or you are having an unknown fear which actually you are not clearly aware of, or you have got a hidden anxiety about something, or how much you involve into each things on a given situation? Is it a moderate involvement, or a very low level involvement, or very high level involvement, particularly based on your friends and family? Also probably if somebody is accompanying you, known to you for a long time, maybe asking we may be asking them and also assessing to get a right picture. Then also we go to certain arithmetic parameters like checking your nadi, your how is your urination pattern, how is your touch and feel, how is your skin look like or touch feel like, your structure, are you a hefty size, or you are a barrel shaped body, you are a v shaped body, or you have got a hourglass kind of a body kind of a thing, or and other parameters, where you born and brought up, where are you migrated from, are you into this geographical pattern, or and how is your, what is your age, what are you are accustomed with, the what type of food and what kind of lifestyle you are quite accustomed with, how is your tolerance level physically and mentally, what are the seasonal issues you face, your familial history, any of these that in your family runs, any problems runs in your family that can be precipitated into you. Then your previous health issues, something like a surgery you have undergone, a trauma you have undergone, or you are on a long term medication on certain things kind of a thing, or your current illness, if any, if you are on medications. So your other lab parameters, if you already have something, you will have to bring all those things, and we will maybe advising according to our examination what something is additionally required. So all these parameters which can contribute to a condition of illness, or maybe a poor health condition, even though it does not precipitate into this thing. We will analyze all these things and we will categorize it, which needs an immediate attention, which needs a future attention. So, and we'll be listing out all the health needs, what is connected with your past health issue, which can precipitate, or right now whether you are having, which can come precipitate into a future emerging risk. You have got a particular disease which can end up with a comorbidity. You are taking a medicine which can have a long term impact on your health. Your vital parameter, lab parameters show certain kind of fluctuations. All these parameters, your lifestyle, your eating pattern, your job, your familial relationship, your travel pattern, your exercise pattern or lack of exercise, your liking, disliking, habits, everything, whatever you can, that can come into a picture in not only current but also at least for the next 1 year. I will say it is a health horoscope for the next 1 year. So we will assess all these things. So, and we also tell you what are your current problems physically and what are your current problems you are facing mentally. Sometimes we may be using internationally accepted protocols and internationally accepted scales to analyze these things wherever it is necessary. And what all things based on your basic body condition, the geography, your seasonality, this thing, your medicines, your current health, your future health issues, whatever things currently or in a near future can precipitate into a disease, we will give a list to you. We will give a complete analysis report to you, which will narrate all these things. We are not only telling you what are the problems, we will also advise you. You need a certain kind of meditation or a yoga, or you have to do something else to keep your mind and stress level calm, or sometimes you may need a medication for that to be taken on a short while, or sometimes on an intermittent manner. Certain diet changes must be required for you. Sometimes periodical medicines may be required for you. You may need a periodical consultation at a certain interval, like once in 15 days or once in a month or once in 3 months kind of a thing. And sometimes you may need a change in your lifestyle. Sometimes we may be advising you to avoid certain kind of food stuff. Sometimes we may be avoiding you to do certain things on your job. Sometimes we may be advising you to, or helping you by providing medicine or other kind of things to, or a therapy to come out, make you come out from certain habits which is actually going to have a toll on your health. Plus we may be advising a periodical a tailor-made package of therapies, that once in 15 days you do these, once in 3 months you do this, as per, or next season change, as when the summer comes you have to do this, or the winter comes you have to do this, or at the rain season you have to avoid certain things, or you have to add certain diet, you have to do certain kind of therapies for this. You have got a sinusitis problem, so you have to do this. You have got a diabetes, so we add you certain medicines, which is since your current medicines are not responding, or there may be a neuropathy problem, there may be a problem connected with your eye because you are working on a long time on a computer. So probably your eyes may be getting stressed up, or your retina may be affected. In that condition, we may be advising you once in a month you to come and do this kind of therapy, or we may be giving you some kind of drops for your eye. For an example, I am telling you. So for next 1 year, what is necessary to keep you fit and fine? Is it a lifestyle change? Is it a diet change? Is it a behavioral change? Or is it a periodical medicinal requirement or a periodical therapy requirement? Next 1 year, what is required? We will be advising you with clear reasons, and document will be given to you. So you can enroll with Sadayush for a healthcare protection program. So this is actually a total healthcare plan for people who are concerned about their health. By this, what we aim is our clients or our patients remain free of disease for the next 1 year. You are welcome to have your queries on this online, or you can call us, or you can mail to us if you are interested to know further about this, and you can gift this package to someone whom you love. Actually, you want to take care of your parents or something on this thing, you can enroll your parents into this program, or the corporate people. This is a good package for you can, as a staff welfare, you can give to your employees, your high level employees, because this will keep their productivity quite up, and their health in a positive frame. So I wish you all a healthy and happy future. Thank you.